Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. Well, the mold is back. Today, Children's Hospital confirmed testing has once again identified mold in 3 operating rooms.
Hospital says 2 additional children may have been infected, bringing the total number of cases since last year to 8. One of those young patients died from mold infection. King 5 investigators have been looking into the hospital's response to this ongoing problem, and Chris Ingalls is here with us now. So when did the hospital get these test results, Chris?
Well, Joyce, according to Children's, tests yesterday detected this same mold, Aspergillus, back in 3 operating rooms and 2 other areas of the hospital. The results come at the same time that Children's has gone to court trying to block the release to King 5 of public health department information about the hospital's ongoing problems with mold. In a statement released this morning, Children's Hospital says the rooms in which Aspergillus mold was detected have been closed. The hospital says it postponed and diverted some procedures, and emergency surgeries are taking place in operating rooms that have advanced in-room filtration.
This fungus can kill you. It's already killed, and it makes me worried.
Today's news rekindles the fear for Veronica Hernandez. In the next few months, her son Tyrese is scheduled for reconstructive surgery at Children's on his skull.
Just knowing that we have to go back in and have my son's skull replaced, a prosthetic replaced here in a few months is really scary.
After the positive test yesterday, Children's says it plans to close all operating rooms at some point during the coming week for an undetermined amount of time. There's no word on the condition of the 2 additional patients who may have been infected by the Aspergillus.
Is that scary for you, knowing that you have to go back into the operating room?
13-year-old Tyrese had his initial brain surgery for bacterial meningitis in May. 2 days later, the hospital made public its ongoing problems with mold in its operating rooms. The families of 3,000 patients were notified they were at risk of Aspergillus infection.
I saw lots of other families that were struggling with the same situation. We were worried. It made me worry even more because he was already fighting for his life. His survival rate was really low.
King County Public Health says it's been notified of the positive mold tests, but it's waiting for more information from Children's.
Where could it be coming from? The OR is supposed to be a sterile environment.
The King County Department of Public Health says it's reached out to the Centers for Disease Control for help with all of this. Now, against this backdrop, the King 5 investigators found themselves facing off against Children's Hospital in court. For months, we've been waiting for the health department to grant our public records request for documents. We want to know if Children's was properly informing patients and the public about this ongoing mold problem. Children's is asking a judge to block the release of some records. We'll tell you more about what we found in records that we did get tomorrow on King 5 News at 6:30. Our special investigation is then.
Chris, I know there must be a lot of patients' families who have a lot of questions. What can they do? Who can they call?
Well, they can get specifics. The hospital said to call the hospital's patient and family relations team, and we've got contact information for how people can do that on king5.com. Just click on this story.
Okay, a lot more to come tomorrow.
Right.
Thank you.